Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Brian and welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage Season 2 of the Garage Boss, where we educate you how to be the boss of your own projects using Dupli-Color and VHT products. Now, sitting on the table here, I have a couple of chrome wheels, which I'm gonna recoat with our Metalcast Anodized Gold. Now, the gold is brand new to the Metalcast family. We have 8 colors within that family. Metalcast is a unique product line which provides an anodized finish over top of chrome and bright metal surfaces. Now, if you don't have a bright metal surface to start with, we got you covered there. We have our bright metal coat, and what that's gonna do is lay down a nice bright silver finish that you can put the anodized color coat over. Now, since I have the chrome wheels here, pretty much ready to go, unboxed them, I am gonna wipe them down with our multi-purpose foaming prep cleaner, make sure they're good and clean from dust, dirt, oils, which will allow us with a perfect surface to then lay down the gold.
Start off by cleaning and degreasing the surface with a Dupli-Color prep product and mask off any areas to protect from overspray.
All right, have the wheels wiped down, so those are set and ready to go. Now, one of the most common questions we get with this product line is, should I scuff the chrome? Should I sand it? Will it adhere directly to chrome? You do not want to sand it or scuff it in any way, because considering this is a translucent paint, you will see anything that you do to the chrome. Now, if you want that look, go ahead and scratch it. I've done it before, but make sure the scratches are all uniform in the same line, because it'll give it that brushed effect. But in this case, I'm not going to do that. That's completely up to you, but as mentioned, if you scratch anything, you will see it when you apply the product. So everything's clean, ready to go. We'll lay down the gold.
Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and apply when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. To apply, hold the can 6 to 8 inches from the surface and apply 4 to 5 light, even coats in a back and forth sweeping motion, not to run the paint. The color will darken with each coat until you achieve the desired look. Apply the paint as evenly as possible and maintain a wet look for the best shine and color consistency throughout. Allow 10 minutes between coats, and all coats applied within 1 hour. Metalcast dries to the touch in 20 to 30 minutes and can be handled in 2 hours and fully cured in 24 to 36 hours. Metalcast is heat resistant intermittently up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, resists automotive chemicals, and can be used for a variety of interior and exterior applications.
All right, I have the Metalcast Gold down, and both wheels look absolutely tremendous. Now, I put about 3 to 4 coats each. The way Metalcast works is each coat, you get darker and darker and darker, and you're gonna stop until you have the finish that you like. Now, that goes with the gold or any of the colors within the line. Now, this job was relatively quick and easy just because I started with a brand new set of wheels. If you're gonna start with something that isn't bright metal or chrome, you use that bright metal coat, of course, it's gonna take you a little bit longer. But all in all, you're gonna end up with a great result, just like we did here. Now, if you want to find out more about the products that I used in this project and more great products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.